If you're watching this video right now, it's because you have been one of the very few candidates that have been selected for our space program. We're going to be using the official space training manual, Everything Awesome About Space and Other Galactic Facts from Scholastic Books, and me, Mike Lowery. Let's jump right into the training with some space jokes. Joke number 1. What kind of books do astronauts read? Comic books. How does the galaxy keep its pants up? With an asteroid belt. Alright, now the jokes are out of the way and it's time for some deep space facts. When we're talking about space, we have to get an idea of what space is. Space is anything beyond this planet. Now the galaxy is everything, including our planet, but space is everything beyond the planet. And space is really big. It is really big. In fact, it's so big we can't measure distance in space the way that we do on Earth. Let me give you an idea of how big space is. To fly from New York to Beijing is a little bit more than 6,800 miles, and it would take you about 15 hours in an airplane. Now, if you were traveling at that same speed to get to our sun, it would take you about a year of flying. So, I don't know if you've ever been on a long flight before or not, but a year of flying in an airplane, I wonder what like a first class upgrade would be on a flight like that. Probably pretty expensive, but anyway, it's impossible. But it would take you a year to fly that far. The universe is so big that we have to use a different type of measurement to measure the distance. So scientists use something called light years. And what a light year is, it's the measurement of how long it would take for light to get to a certain point in a year. In 1 year, light can travel about 5.8 trillion miles. And the nearest star to our sun is 4.2 light years away. So it's all those numbers times 4.2. And now our facts and jokes for the day are out of the way. Let's do some space drawing. Space drawing. Now for my space drawing, I'm going to turn over here to my little table that's here in the Mission Control Center with me. And I'm going to draw an astronaut. Now for my astronaut, I'm going to start by drawing this helmet. Okay, it's a big circle, and then I give myself a little bit of a window. Now you can draw yourself in here. You can draw anybody that you want. I mean, maybe yours isn't even a person. Maybe you want your astronaut to be a cat, and it would be a catstronaut. Or maybe it's a bat, and that would be a batstronaut. You know, you could draw all sorts of stuff here as an astronaut. Make a little window and you can draw the face. I like to draw a control panel on the front of my astronaut. Some little controls. Don't forget the legs and the boots. Now I've sped mine up just a little bit because I want to be able to get in a full drawing without boring you. So maybe yours takes a little bit longer than mine, but here's my drawing of an astronaut. Now you can draw one. All right, that's the end of Space Camp for today. I'll see you back here tomorrow for more space jokes, space facts, and space drawing. And don't forget, if you have a favorite space joke or fact, you can post it below. And on Friday, we're going to have a live blast-off event here on Space Camp. I'll see you tomorrow at Space Camp with Mike Lowery.